Good day, and welcome to this tutorial on utilizing the Waterneer Biokube Wastewater Footprint Calculator, a precise tool for assessing your wastewater generation needs. Begin by navigating to our official website, www.waterneerbiokube.com. Scroll down to the footer section and locate the prominent button labeled Calculate Your Wastewater Footprint. Click it to proceed. You will now select the category that best matches your facility: residential, office, factory, hotel, school, or farmhouse. Input the relevant parameters as follows. For residential or farmhouse, provide the number of residents and staff. For office, enter staff count and staff plus 1 meal per day. For factory, specify total workers, workers plus 1 meal, workers plus 2 meals, and any residents. For hotel, detail total beds, resident staff, and banquet attendees per week. For school, include students, staff, and canteen meals served daily. Once entered, click Next. The calculator instantly generates your key metrics: biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, ammonium, NH4, chemical oxygen demand, COD, and total liters per day. To receive a comprehensive PDF report, simply enter your email address and submit. This tool empowers informed decisions for sustainable wastewater management. Visit www.waterneerbiokube.com today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more expert insights.